I welcome you everybody to the class of Programming C. Today we'll discuss the keyword typedef. Typedef is a keyword used to give another name or alias name to one existing data type name. So it is used to give alias name, alias name or other name to an existing data type name. So for example, if I write int a1, a2, a3, it means what? A1, A2, A3 are three variables of type integer. If I use type def int int, and I'll write int a1, a2, a3. So here also, when you write type def int int, capital I, capital N, capital T, that means what? This capital int is another name, alias name of int. So using this int also, you can create variables int a1, a2, a3. So a1, a2, a3 are three variables of type integer. So if we give another example of structure. So in case of structure, suppose you are having a employee structure where you are having employee registration number, employee salary, and employee name. So here, when you create employee variables, how to create variables? So using the data type, here the data type is struct employee. So using struct employee, you are creating variables. Suppose you are creating three variables, e1, e2, e3. So e1, e2, e3 are three variables of type struct employee. So struct employee as a whole is one data type here. So if you don't want to write struct employee, you want to reduce the data type name, so you can use type def. So if I write type def struct employee emp, so here emp is another name of struct employee. So wherever you want to use struct employee, you can use emp. So if I write emp e1, e2, e3, it is same that e1, e2, e3 are three variables of type struct employee. It is similar to the declaration here. So it is also same because emp represents struct employee. So why we are using type def? We are using type def to increase the readability of the codes, to simplify the readability of the codes. In structure also, when we create dynamic or allocate dynamic memory, how we do that? Suppose I'll write struct employee star is. So I want to give S pointer one dynamically allocated structure memory address. So how to do that? So I'll write S equals to struct employee star malloc size of struct employee. Yes or no? Yes. So here if you see this line, here I am writing struct employee star, this one for typecasting, and here I am counting what is the size of the struct employee. So I am writing all the data type name as a whole as struct employee. So if I want to reduce this code, or I want to enhance the readability, so what I'll do, suppose instead of writing this, I'll write like this. I'll write what? Type def struct employee star ptr. Type def struct employee EMP. So here what? Struct employee asterisk is having another name as PTR. Struct employee is having another name as EMP. So you can write here as S equals to PTR malloc size of EMP. So you can replace this line by this line. So it enhances the readability of the codes. So for that we are using type def. Another case is that suppose I want to read a string. So how to read a string? In case of C, there is no string variable. We are using what? String data type is not there. We are using what? Character array. So suppose I want to read a string from keyboard and I want to display it using a function, suppose. So it is like this. If I write that one, so it is like this, that car asterisk read void main. Inside it, suppose I am having car asterisk name, then name equals to read, then printf percentile s name, and here I am defining read as car asterisk read car asterisk name 1, suppose get s name 1, return name 1. So here you see, here this is the code where I am getting one string variable and I am writing the name of the name or the string variable I am writing here. So here you see, here car asterisk means it is a pointer type variable. So name is a pointer type variable which can hold the address of another character or array of character. So here it is simple. Here the name is containing the array of characters or the number of characters are there. So it is a string, but there is no string data type in the programming C. So here instead of character asterisk, if I rename it like this, I'll write type def car asterisk string. That means what? Car asterisk is having another name as string. So I can replace wherever I have used car asterisk, I have replaced it by string also. So I can write what? String read void main string name equals to read printf percentile s name car asterisk read string name 1 get s name 1 return name 1. So see here, I have used string wherever I was having car asterisk. Got it? So here what is the difference between these two code? So this code is more readable. This code is more readable than this code. More readable. So we have replaced this car asterisk by string. So type def is a concept, is a keyword using which you can enhance the readability of the code. Wherever you want, you can use this keyword in your program. Thank you.